Senior Python Developer 101, Python Developer Roles and Responsibilities. A senior Python developer is an experienced professional with comprehensive expertise in Python, possessing deep knowledge of the language including its syntax, libraries, and frameworks. Let's explore further. 1. Responsibilities *, creating and maintaining solutions. Senior Python developers design, build, and enhance Python programs, networks, and solutions. They contribute to the entire software development lifecycle. Problem solving, they tackle complex challenges, optimize code, and ensure efficient execution. Collaboration, senior developers often mentor junior team members and collaborate with cross-functional teams. Performance optimization, they focus on performance improvements, scalability, and security. 2. Skills and qualities *, deep Python knowledge, proficiency in Python, including libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Django. Problem-solving skills, ability to analyze requirements and devise effective solutions. Experience, several years of hands-on Python development experience. Communication, clear communication with technical and non-technical stakeholders. 3. Advanced steps to become a senior Python developer, master the basics, understand Python fundamentals thoroughly. Work on projects, apply your knowledge by building real-world projects. Contribute to open source, collaborate with the community and learn from others. Learn popular libraries and frameworks, dive into Django, Flask, and other relevant tools. Network with developers, attend conferences, meetups, and engage. Continuous learning, stay updated with trends, best practices, and emerging technologies. Remember, becoming a skilled and in-demand senior Python developer involves continuous learning and practical experience.